The FX Exposure Data Visualization is an automatically updating dashboard that displays the currency exposure of the specified portfolio. This dashboard is powered by an Imagine Financial Platform app, which calculates the FX exposure values for each currency to which the portfolio is sensitive. The FX Exposure Data Visualization features a bar graph and a heat matrix of total exposure in the base currency. Hover over each bar to view the currency's exposure. In this example, the base currency of the portfolio is USD, and there is sensitivity to Australian dollars, euros, Hong Kong dollars, Indonesian rupiah, Japanese yen, and more. You can see that the total exposure to EUR is almost -4 million, and the total exposure to IDR is 18.8 million. The filters on the right-hand side of the dashboard control the data that is filtered into or omitted from the FX exposure graph. Here you can see where certain holding attributes affect the overall portfolio exposure by filtering out a trader or group or by searching in the blank fields. I can view just a few currencies by removing many from the data, leaving only EUR and IDR. I can view exposure attributed to fixed income security types by selecting only bond future, corporate bond, deposit future, floating rate note, and treasury bond. Or I can view exposure attributed to a specific industry, such as banking. You can zoom in and out of the graph by hovering over the graph and using your mouse to scroll. Under the FX Exposure Heat Matrix tab, the heat matrix uses the currencies as the matrix columns and any additional breakdowns as the row aggregators. The default aggregation is by account, but you can choose any available breakdown, such as issuer industry name. Similar to the FX exposure graph, the filters on the right control the data displayed in the heat matrix. For more details about each data visualization, click the question mark icon in the top right-hand corner to access help information. Check out Imagine's other available data visualizations of P&L, Greeks, and yield curve exposure.